Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tally ERP 9. First, understand that Tally ERP 9 is a powerful business management software designed to simplify your operations. It expertly handles accounting, inventory, payroll, and statutory compliance, making it a versatile tool for many businesses. Before you begin, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. This foundational step ensures a smooth and efficient experience as you set up your company. To create your company, launch Tally ERP 9 and navigate to the Company Info menu, then select Create Company. You'll need to input crucial details such as your company's name, mailing address, and contact information. Carefully choose your financial year beginning and books beginning dates. You can also set up Tally Vault password for enhanced security. Once all details are entered, accept and save to establish your new company. Understanding ledgers and vouchers is fundamental for accurate record keeping. Ledgers are accounts that categorize all your financial transactions, such as cash, bank, sales, and purchases. You'll create these under Accounts Info. Vouchers, on the other hand, are documents used to record specific transactions, like a sales invoice or a payment receipt. Tally offers 24 predefined voucher types, ensuring every transaction is captured correctly. Tally ERP 9 also excels in inventory management, allowing you to define stock items, groups, and units of measure. You can efficiently track inventory movement through purchase and sales orders, ensuring accurate stock levels. Beyond daily operations, Tally generates vital financial reports, including the balance sheet, profit and loss statement, and trial balance. These reports provide invaluable insights, helping you make informed business decisions and monitor your financial health effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.